how to log in with Discord token. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your browser and you have to tap on the search bar and search for discord.com. After entering it, you will be able to see this interface over here. After that, you have to click on the three-dotted vertical line which is in the right upper corner. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see the various options. Among them, you have to click on more tools. By going through more tools, you'll be able to see the developer tools in the button. So go through it. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see this interface in the right hand side. So you have to go through two arrows over here, and from here you have to select the application. By selecting it, you'll be able to see the local storage over here. So you have to simply tap on local storage. By clicking on the local storage option over here, the link of Discord token will be displayed in your interface over here, and from there you have to copy the link of the Discord token, and after copying the link of it, you have to go to the new tab, and here you have to paste the link of the Discord token, and by pasting it, you'll be able to log in directly to your Discord account. And by following this simple step, you can log in with Discord token. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.